हम दोनों है अलग अलग,
हम दोनों है जुदा जुदा,
एक दूजे से कभी कभी,
रहते हैं हम खफा खफा
after all these years.
after all these years.
So what are we going to talk about today?
That only. Why are we khafa khafa? Or what are the differences between us?
Or why do we fight with each other? You're trying to say.
I don't think after all these years we should even ask why do we fight. It's a given.
Yeah.
Yeah,
No,
our
but I mean,
fights
there are
can be very.
reasons, no? We fight up.
Yeah, there are reasons we fight. So that is why I say why do we fight should not be the question. How do we fight should be the question.
How मतलब करके बता ना कैसे fight
नहीं करके नहीं बताना है, but we can share with our audience that with all this lovey the one talk and as if like we are so enamored with each other, the impression is that oh my god, we don't frustrate each other or we don't get frustrated with each other. That's a total lie. When two people, it's not possible for two people to be exactly what the other wants, and it would not be fun.
Yeah.
So part of the, how do you say, beauty of our relationship is that we fight. Our children won't agree because some of our fights can be pretty traumatic to everyone involved, but we fight.
And I think you said let's talk about our differences. I said let's talk about our fights, and to some extent I think both the things are connected because
Yeah, because differences will lead
differences
to
है
fight, right?
इसीलिए झगड़े होते हैं.
Hmm.
And to start with the biggest differences, हम दोनों अलग अलग दिशा में रहते थे. I used to live in Kandivali West. You lived in Kandivali East.
Yes.
So literally there was a directional
There was a
difference
fatak between us, I think.
Yeah. And what else? I mean, I think you you are the eldest in the family.
Yes, I'm
You were
the
the eldest sister and I was the youngest brother.
Hmm.
So I think that also played. मुझे तो ऐसा लगता है कि because of that, because being the eldest, what it meant, like how did it kind of
Being the eldest was like always being told that you are the one who has to, do everything. You have
Yeah.
to take care of everything.
Yeah.
You have to be like the role model to the others.
मेरे लिए उल्टा था कि मेरे लिए ऐसा था कि लोग करके देते थे सब कुछ, मतलब
हाँ.
बिकॉज आई वाज द यंगेस्ट, तो मुझे आदत थी कि everybody does something or the else for me. So my one sister would design, I mean buy clothes for me. The other sister would take care of my education. So it's like everything was given to me that way.
हाँ.
तो
And
मुझे
I had
आदत
to
थी
be
कि
always the one giving. I remember giving pocket money to my
to sisters,
sisters when
yeah,
at as young as when I started
yeah,
earning.
yeah,
So it was always like I have to give, I have to do.
right. Also,
Right.
it made you kind of a
Bossy.
yeah.
Yes.
It made you bossy, yeah.
It's like everybody listens to me. So
हाँ.
I expected part of it is like I still expect people to listen to me.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, and especially I ask you to listen to me.
और मेरी आदत ऐसी थी कि मेरे ऊपर ऑलरेडी लोग बॉस अराउंड करते थे, मुझे आदत थी बॉसिंग की. सो आई थिंक इतना पहले पता नहीं चला, अब आहिस्ता आहिस्ता पता चल रहा है.
अच्छा, पता चलो. Okay. But then because of that whole what I don't like about him is he's fussy. He's just fussy.
You're talking about me?
Yes, and that is what frustrates me the most. Like
I think
even,
I'm fussy and I'm most of the times I'm sulking because I've never learned to say back things.
and
Yeah.
he the first thing is his name is Noza. So there's a standing joke also, and which has a lot of reality to it. Anything you tell him, the first word that comes out is no.
No.
No. So it's like if I have to introduce something, an
Yeah.
idea, I
Yeah.
know that I'll have to go through a whole process. It's like a big bureaucratic process where first thing Nozer is always going to be like, if he has
So-
not given this idea, don't stop me. I'm the bossy one right now.
So, but are you saying that
Let me complete.
that's a difference? I mean,
Let me complete. Like I am the spontaneous one. I'm like,
acha.
and like he said in the previous episode, I don't bother with clothes or I don't bother with how I'm appearing or what others are thinking. I'm like, I don't care. Can I use the word shit? I don't care a shit about what others are thinking.
Yeah.
And Noza cares a lot.
Yeah, I care a
Right?
lot.
So he'll
right,
be like,
the right now I was caring about ये थोड़ा सा sweat हो रहा है. It's just for comfort level. It's not कि oh
no,
my
it's
god
not comfort
मैं
level.
podcast
So
पे
it's
कैसा लगने वाला हूँ.
anything if I have to introduce and if it is not his own idea, then oh my god, heavens.
So, yeah, that
he will
I think
say
that
no.
comes from being के कैसा था कि because दूसरे लोग सब plan कर देते थे पहले मेरे लिए because I was the youngest.
Maybe.
तो maybe I never got a chance to like you are saying ना you are bossy, तो मेरे को bossy गिरी दिखाने का कुछ मौका ही नहीं मिला कभी. So I think that's why कभी-कभी ऐसा होता है कि कभी-कभी नहीं, mostly ऐसा होता है कि if
Mostly.
the idea doesn't come from me, then I get all like
Ha,
so.
but the reverse is not true. If he comes up with a random idea, I jump into it. I like, why not? Let's do it.
So are you trying to say that you are
So,
spontaneous?
okay, not spontaneous, but yeah, I go with the idea. I run with the idea.
Okay, and you are
Okay.
saying that I am not spontaneous, guys.
Uh,
That's one difference.
Yes, that's
Tongue,
one difference. Tongue, yes. So it's like I will be like, yes, go, let's do it.
Okay.
And he wants to plan everything. He
Yeah.
wants to put everything in order. Not that I don't admire it,
Right.
but it gets.
So because of
it
that,
gets
what
on
kind
my
of fights
nerves.
do we have? Or can you remember which was the first fight we had?
First fight, I don't know.
I don't know. I mean, we had a lot of fights, and the
Lots.
best thing was
We've
कि
done PhD in
I
fighting.
think हम जब कॉलेज में थे तब तो जब झगड़ा होता था तो I think we used to stop talking to each other.
हाँ, phone पे होता था. Yes, I remember on the phone we used to fight because
हाँ,
I would get the
landlines.
time
हाँ.
on landline. That time landline था. So
हाँ.
I would call him up at 10:30. सब काम
हम्म.
हो गया, मेरे बर्तन घस के हो गया, and then I'll call him up. And 10:30 this man wants to sleep.
हम्म.
So he's not talking. He'll be answering only in monosyllables.
तो हाँ, वो भी एक
हम्म.
डिफरेंस था. मेरे घर पे
हाँ.
early to bed, early to
हम्म.
rise. That is what
Yeah.
makes us happy.
Healthy
Healthy
and
and
wise.
wise.
We'll talk about healthy and wise later.
Yeah.
But
So वैसा था मतलब
हाँ.
we used to, I mean, sleep early, get up early in the morning.
हाँ, तो मेरा आवाज ज्यादा होता था. मीन्स आई यूज्ड टू बी लाइक आई वांट टू टॉक एंड ही वुडंट, सो आई विल लाइक बैंग द फोन. दैट्स इट. And he would be like, let me sleep. Right now, you want to be angry, stay angry.
Yeah.
All the pataving and manaving would happen early in the morning.
Right.
Right? And in the morning, I am the weakest because I would not like to get up. So half the time, I'm unconscious in the morning.
So also one very important factor was it because of you being eldest? You were very possessive. You are still
I
possessive.
still am possessive.
So most of our fights happened because of you being a little possessive.
Little?
I mean, very possessive.
Very
चलो.
possessive.
So I mean, कोई याद है झगड़ा because of being possessive? I mean, I
बहुत
used to
सारे.
hardly speak to girls.
Hardly. The girls used to like. I think I've already mentioned. Girls
Yeah,
used
you,
to
नहीं,
take
बस
turns
ठीक है वो
from
बोलने की
station
जरूरत
to
नहीं है
then
वापस.
everybody is like touching
Cut,
his
cut,
hand.
cut, please.
So yeah,
नहीं पर
I
उसकी वजह से
was.
झगड़ा क्या हुआ?
हाँ,
वो मैं
झगड़ा ये हुआ कि you would never stop them from touching your hands. Like after we started going a little
तो-
steady, the common sense is that bus हुआ. Now there is some exclusivity, but no, that does not believe in exclusivity. So he's like, if there was a dialogue कि good है तो मक्खियाँ तो आएगी. I know.
I think ये तो हम पूरा पहला एपिसोड रिपीट कर रहे थे.
No, we are not repeating.
हाँ.
Because of that we fought. So
I-
you
I'm-
want to fight, go on into how we fight, then you go into
तो
that.
मैं जा रहा हूँ बस मैं उठ के यहाँ से जा रहा हूँ.
नहीं, that is something that you don't do. You don't do. You do it when only when we have fought. Like when you
Yeah.
don't want to argue or when you don't. That is what he does. When he's angry, he shuts down. He just won't speak anything.
But
Okay?
I am also the first one to. I mean, I am the
Huh.
only one to say
But
sorry.
you can tell also the people. I'm like saying so much. You can also tell what I do when I'm angry.
You angry मतलब I think possess हो जाती है वो और बोलती रहती है. I mean I don't know how to stop her. और मेरा ऐसा है कि मैं तो पूरा साइलेंट जोन में चले
हाँ,
जाता
वो
हूँ.
shut down हो जाता है पूरा.
So yeah,
So it's so
मेरा
frustrating. I want to shake him like कुछ बोल, say something.
और शट डाउन तो ऐसा था मतलब कि शट डाउन मतलब मैं पूरा शट डाउन ही हो जाता हूँ बिकॉज मेरे को कम बैक आते ही नहीं है.
Poor thing.
आई एम नॉट इक्विप्ड टू डू एनी कम बैक्स एंड आई पता नहीं मैं तो चुप हो जाता है. एंड शी जस्ट गोज ऑन एंड ऑन एंड ऑन एंड ऑन एंड ऑन.
और मेरे पास
And,
रिकॉर्ड है सब चीजों का.
She
So
has
I
this
will-
habit of repeating everything at least 3 times. I don't know, in childhood maybe she was not heard or something like that.
हाँ,
Probably ऐसा कुछ था क्या? क्योंकि तू हर चीज 3 बार बोलती है यार झगड़े में भी.
तो सुनता ही नहीं. एक बार भी तो 3 बार भी बोलो तो क्या फर्क पड़ता
और
है.
एक तो मैं जैसे तैसे मतलब संयम रख रहा हूँ और सुनते जा रहा हूँ.
तो you
और
by your
एक
own admission there
ब्रोकन
is no
रिकॉर्ड की
संयम.
तरह
You don't know
तू
what
एक
to
ही
do.
चीज 3 बार बोल रही है.
हाँ, तो तू सुनता ही नहीं.
हाँ.
तो हम इंसान को
तो
बोलते ही रहना
बट
पड़े.
सॉरी मैं ही बोलता हूँ.
Yeah, that I'll agree. That I'll agree because again that comes with that elder sister syndrome. I don't go and say sorry.
Right.
Right? So I will show my readiness that yes, the queen is
Yeah.
ready to
Yeah.
reconcile kind of a
Yeah.
thing. But I don't go and say sorry very frequently. And now I'm changing. To my
Yeah.
children, I have learned to say sorry. To Nozer also, sometimes I say sorry. Sometimes, but then we also have these, again, like first episode we've said, we have a way of gravitating. Like we do
Hmm.
fight, but we can't live without each other.
Yeah.
So after that time, छोड़ो, yes, we fought over something very terrible. Let it go.
So I अभी पहले के ज़माने में ऐसा था कि जब झगड़ा होता था किसी के बीच में तो पीपल यूज टू टॉक विद देयर फ्रेंड्स. अब अनफॉर्चुनेटली हम दोनों के ही कोई फ्रेंड्स नहीं है, हम
हाँ.
ही दोनों एक दूसरे के फ्रेंड्स हैं.
Yeah.
एंड बियॉन्ड अस दिट इज अवर 2 sons. ओके, तो जब हमारे बीच में झगड़ा होता है तो वी हैव नोबडी टू टॉक टू.
हाँ,
दैट
it
इज
is
आल्सो
like
प्रॉब्लम
घाव भी तुम, मरहम भी
बिकॉज
तुम.
या सो हाँ करेक्ट. सो ऐसा है कि हु डू यू टॉक टू. तो कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि डू यू रिमूव योर खुन्नस ऑन इंस्टाग्राम. टेल मी रियली टुडे स्टोरीज पे डू यू नॉट शेयर स्टोरीज दैट आर हिंटिंग एट मी.
No.
टेल मी.
पर मैं वैसे भी 3 बार तो बोल
इंडिया
देती
वांट्स टू
हूँ.
नो.
No, India doesn't need to know, yaar. But yeah, something that my mental state is there and I see a story, I would put it
हाँ
up.
तो वो मेंटल स्टेट मेरे से
हाँ, पर
रिलेटेड
वो
होता है ना.
तुझे तो सुना दिया
हाँ,
जो
और फिर
सुनाना
मैं
है.
कुछ गाना वाना लिरिक्स बना देता हूँ, पोएम बना देता हूँ, से कि अच्छा दैट इज हिंटेड एट मी. तो वो उसके यहाँ कहाँ से
मैंने
आएगा?
ऐसा कभी कुछ नहीं बोला. इतने
नहीं
गाने
ऑफ
तो
कोर्स
तू
बोला
बना
है
रहा है
यार.
यार.
भूल जाती है यार तू यार.
नहीं, मैं कुछ
बूढ़ी हो
बोलती नहीं.
गई
मेरी
है.
हाथी की मेमोरी,
हाँ
I
वो तो
don't
मैंने
forget
खुद नहीं
it.
बोला था.
Yes, I have past records also. I'm very clever when I fight, you know.
Yeah.
My
हाँ एक्चुअली
intellectual agility becomes very sharp and
इट इज
I
ऑलरेडी
go
शार्प और वो शार्पर हो जाती है झगड़े
and
के वक्त.
I will remember
और मेरी
things.
एकदम बंद हो जाती है.
हाँ,
मतलब जितना भी
बेचारा.
इंटेलिजेंस है पूरा कुछ शॉर्ट सर्किट होके जीरो हो जाता है. एंड
Okay, now don't pretend bichara, huh? He
नहीं
also
नॉट
is
बिचारा. दैट्स हाउ
in
आई
his
एम.
own way he gets possessed and he has record of breaking things. Okay,
या दैट आई हैव डन.
he has done. मेरा 1 किलो घी का पूरा कांच
मतलब,
का जार तोड़ दिया था एक दिन.
या
He had this thing habit young when he was young when he would do that
Yeah.
like पूरा खाना
aggression
बोल
is not good, guys.
के. Yes.
Express it in creative ways. So now I have found a very good venting way to vent out my anger if I am angry.
If now that is lying. You
So
are
I
angry. You get
create
angry.
something. I create something. जो भी गुस्सा होता है, भड़ास होती है,
Hmm.
कुछ क्रिएट कर दो. गाना लिख देता हूँ, एक पोएम लिख देता हूँ, या
चुप हो जाता हूँ.
चुप होना तो बेस्ट. मतलब
रूम
वो तो
छोड़
मैं
के चला
बचपन
जाता
से
हूँ.
ये करे आ रहा हूँ कि
हाँ, रूम छोड़ के चला जाता हूँ.
सो आई मीन या इट्स डिफरेंसेस है, इसीलिए आई थिंक रिश्ता इंटरेस्टिंग भी बनता है. वरना इमेजिन कि सब चीजें मैच हो रही है,
हाँ
दोनों
यार.
को ही सनसेट पसंद है,
सनसेट तो
दोनों
दोनों को
ही
पसंद है यार.
अभी तो पसंद है. एग्जांपल दे रहा हूँ यार.
हाँ, ठीक.
हाँ तो अभी जैसे कि मुझे ऐसा है कि कहोज फोर्ट यहाँ सोनल के पीछे इतना अच्छा
हाँ, हाँ.
कहोज ट्रैकिंग का माउंटेन है, हमारे घर से यहाँ से दिख रहा है. एंड मैं कब से सोच रहा हूँ कि यार मैं शान के साथ प्रोग्राम बनाऊं और जाए हम लोग.
हाँ, वेलकम. मैं घर में बैठ के बुक
सोनल
पढ़ूंगी. आई रिफ्यूज.
को पसंद नहीं है.
मैं चल नहीं सकती.
एक बड़ा डिफरेंस
मैं
इसके
चढ़ नहीं
वजह से,
सकती. आई कैन वॉक.
इसके वजह से कब झगड़ा हुआ है?
आई डोंट नो.
बहुत बार हुआ है यार.
तू बेचारा मान लेता है.
एंड ऑल्सो अच्छा सोनल
गेटिंग अप अर्ली. ओ माय गॉड.
यार
गेटिंग अप अर्ली.
ये तो बेस्ट एपिसोड है यार.
उठ
बड़ा
के सुबह उठ के टांग टिंग टांग टूंग ऑल काइंड्स ऑफ
क्या क्या क्या
एंड आई वांट टू
गाइस ये तो
चाय.
पॉइंट नहीं.
चाय कौन बनाता है सुबह
हाँ
सुबह
तो
चाय.
ये एक पॉइंट मुझे तो आज बोलना ही है.
हाँ.
क्योंकि ये शायद शाहन भी सुने तो बहुत अच्छा होगा. तो ये क्या है कि जब मैं उठ जाता हूँ, आई ऑलवेज वेक अप अर्लियर देन ऑल ऑफ
Always.
दीज पीपल इन द हाउस, स्पेशली बिफोर सोनल, एंड आई मेक टी और व्हाटएवर. बट मैं ऐसे काम करता हूँ ना जैसे बिल्ली घुस आई है घर में. मैं देखता हूँ कि एकदम माइन्यूट से माइन्यूट आवाज हो और जरा भी इनकी नींद डिस्टर्ब नहीं हो.
ये एड़ा बन
तो
के पेड़ा मत
और
कर
ये सोनल उठेगी तो सीधा उठ के कोई सो रहा है नहीं सो रहा है, या सीधा आके मोबाइल चालू किया फुल वॉल्यूम पे मोबाइल
क्या
बज
सुनती हूँ मैं फोन
सुनती नहीं है. जो भी तेरा नोटिफिकेशन वगैरह बजने
Bullshit.
लगता है कि आज किसका
तो पर इंसान
coaching
11 बजे उठेगा तो
session
11
है.
बजे नोटिफिकेशन देखेगा
So,
कि नहीं.
आई
What do you
मीन
mean?
ये तो बहुत बड़ा डिफरेंस है यार. ये तो झगड़ा
हाँ.
मैं करता नहीं हूँ. नहीं तो
हाँ, झगड़ा मैं करता नहीं हूँ. मुंह फुला के कौन घूमता है? इज योर वे ऑफ डूइंग झगड़ा इज डिफरेंट. यू
Yeah.
जस्ट थिंक दैट आवाज इज झगड़ा.
या
इवन मुंह फुलाविंग इज झगड़ा ओनली.
पर दैट रिमाइंड्स मी यार, ये बेस्ट एपिसोड है यार. इसमें तो मतलब खुल
हाँ.
के बिंदास कुछ भी बोल सकते हैं.
एंड रात को व्हेन वी आर वाचिंग थिंग्स ही गोस टू स्लीप.
हाँ वो
वो
कभी
सो
कभी.
जाता है.
सो आई
तुम
थिंक
सुबह को स्टेल्थ बिल्दी तो हम लोग को रात को हमारा क्या
यार तुम 1
बच्चों का
बजे
फादर और मेरा पति चला जाता है.
नहीं 1 बजे तुम अगर स्ट्रेंजर थिंग्स का 1 घंटा सवा घंटे का एक एपिसोड चालू करोगे,
इतना इंटरेस्टिंग होता है
नींद
तो
नहीं
कभी
आएगी.
देखेंगे.
बॉलीवुड की
कभी
फिल्मों में
देखेंगे.
मेरे को नींद नहीं आती फॉर
हाँ.
सम रीजन.
कीप एनीथिंग बॉलीवुड एनी
हाँ
bullshit
मतलब
Bollywood
फालतू
thing.
भी पिक्चर होगा
हाँ,
तो
he will see it. Anything is new.
पता
He
नहीं.
wants to see it on Friday itself.
कंडीशनिंग है या क्या.
हाँ,
बॉलीवुड की फिल्में बहुत बकवास बन रही है अभी फिलहाल. बट
हाँ,
Yeah.
but you will still watch it.
I mean,
The
हाँ, I
allegiance,
mean,
the
पता
loyalty.
नहीं ऐसा है.
वो रात को 3 बजे तक देखेंगे हम.
Right.
बट स्ट्रेंजर थिंग 1 बजे ये
Yeah.
बंदा सोना
ये
चालू
तो
कर
मैं
देगा.
एक्सेप्ट कर रहा हूँ. सोना चालू नहीं, मतलब I
हाँ,
just
he
take
starts snoring.
I take
No. You
power
start
naps
snoring.
in between.
No, nothing. You start snoring. Even Shahan is
Snoring तो
proof.
you also snore in the night.
But
but
I
तू
don't
तू
snore
खुद
when
थोड़ी
I'm
सुनेगी.
watching something. I snore when I'm sleeping.
हाँ, बट तो मैं तो देखते देखते सो रहा हूँ ना, तो इसलिए मैं
हाँ,
देखते
तो
देखते
देखते-देखते
सो
क्यों
रहा हूँ
सो
और
रहा है?
snore कर.
क्यों सो रहा है देखते-देखते? हमारा साथ क्यों नहीं दे रहा है?
दे रहा हूँ ना, मतलब
खाली लेट के दे रहा
जाग
है.
रहा हूँ, वही बड़ी बात है यार.
हाँ, जाग रहा हूँ वही बड़ी
अच्छा,
बात.
तो पिक्चर के बारे में बात करते हैं कि तेरे को कौन से टाइप की पिक्चरें पसंद है?
जी.
उसमें क्या डिफरेंसेस है अपने?
I like old Hindi films.
हाँ, I also like
हाँ,
old.
गाने
उसमें तो difference है.
गाने लाइक गाने सॉफ्ट हिंदी के गाने इतने सारे बना के
हम्म.
गए लोग. मोहम्मद रफी, किशोर
हाँ.
कुमार, लता मंगेशकर नहीं, लेकिन ये चिल्लाएंगे.
मैं दूर हो रहा हूँ शायद, समझ ज्यादा एग्रेसिव ना हो.
यहाँ ये चिल्लाएंगे. ये कुछ भी गाना, कोई भी गाना शांति से, प्यार से, ऐसा माइंडफुली हार्ट में उतरे वैसे नहीं
तो
देखेंगे.
ये डिफरेंस नहीं है,
कान
मैं
में
तो
सुनेंगे.
अग्री कर रहा हूँ यार इस चीज से. मैं
नहीं
बोल रहा
नहीं
हूँ
नहीं,
डिफरेंस.
you don't agree. You बजाओ द गाना like it is somebody's शादी.
अरे पर जय हो वो गाना बज रहा है तो वैसे ही बजेगा ना, मैं उसमें क्या कंट्रोल
तो
करूँगा?
बधाई हो क्यों सुनने का है तुमको?
तो
इतने
अच्छा
सारे
गाना है.
मोहम्मद रफी के और लता मंगेशकर के
वो
गाने
तो
नहीं है.
हम लोग
तो
सुनते ही
जूली
है.
का गाना नहीं है
और
इतना अच्छा.
करोके पे मैं नहीं गाता हूँ ये सब गाने.
हाँ, तो
ओल्ड
गाता है
हिंदी
ना, मैंने
फिल्म.
किधर मना किया. थोड़ा
हाँ.
कुछ सेम तो है हम में. नहीं तो हम लोग जी नहीं सकते थे साथ में.
राइट.
But yeah, that is the difference. Like I like to hear soft songs.
आई ऑल्सो लाइक टू हियर सॉफ्ट. यार यही डिफरेंस हो
But
रहा है
इसको
हमारा.
soft
Difference
गाने
of-
जोर से सुनने हैं.
अग्रीइंग.
He wants to scream when he's listening to music.
आई डोंट स्क्रीम. व्हाई वुड आई स्क्रीम?
मतलब अभी मैं चपाती बना रही हूँ, वो
हाँ.
काम कर रहा है घर में, ऐसा नहीं कि बात करे, नहीं गाना बजाओ. तो यार दैट इज द टाइम व्हेन आई गेट एंग्री. इट्स लाइक यार 2
Okay.
मिनट मिला था बात करने के लिए, नहीं हम बात नहीं करेंगे, हम गाना बजाएंगे जोर जोर से. और बच्चों ने भी सीख लिया है. अभी तो नई नई चीजें सुननी पड़ती है. टेलर स्विफ्ट सुनना
ये
पड़ता है.
तो ऐसा
एड
लग रहा है
शेरिंग
कि
सुनना
किसी ने
पड़ता है.
कंप्लेंट रजिस्टर खोला हुआ है. ये कोई
तो
पॉडकास्ट
differences
का
क्या
एपिसोड
होता है?
वगैरह नहीं लग रहा है. ये तो
Difference
ऐसा
क्या
लग रहा है
होता
कि तूने किसी को बुलाया है कि भाई ये
मैंने
हमारे
किसको
बीच में
बुलाया?
मीडिएट करो और झगड़ा सॉल्व
ये
करो.
कौन मीडिएट कर रहा है भाई?
कम टू द
आओ.
टॉपिक यार.
हाँ ओके चल, क्या टॉपिक है मेरा?
हाँ,
बोल.
तो अच्छा,
वो भी तू डिसाइड
डिफरेंसेस
करेगा.
वी वर टॉकिंग अबाउट कि झगड़ा जब होता है तो
झगड़ा भी प्यार
हाउ डू
से
वी
करो.
फाइट डिफरेंटली. हाउ डू वी फाइट डिफरेंटली मतलब
हाउ डू वी फाइट?
या आई मीन देखो कैसा होता है कि बहुत बार व्हेन वी हैव सम डिसएग्रीमेंट ऑन वेरियस थिंग्स. जैसे कि मैंने कोई बात छुपाई है, एक छोटी सी कुछ ऐसा, मतलब मैंने एक कुछ पेमेंट करना था और मैंने फिक्स डिपॉजिट में से कर दिया और मैंने सुनील को नहीं बताया, ये सोच के कि यार उसको क्या बर्डन करना ऐसी छोटी मोटी बातों के लिए. अब थॉट अच्छा है पर ये थॉट को उसको एक्सप्लेन करने के लिए बहुत डिफिकल्ट होता है. तो शी स्टार्ट्स गेटिंग वेरी एंग्री अबाउट इट एंड
छुपाया. दैट इज ब्रेकिंग ट्रस्ट.
राइट. सो वो वैसा है, वैसे लेवल पे आई मीन
हाँ दैट्स
होता है
ब्रेकिंग
झगड़ा.
ट्रस्ट. नो, मुझे कैसे मालूम पड़ेगा मेरे पीठ पीछे तू क्या कर रहा है? आई डोंट वांट, आई वांट कि तू निकाले पैसा, तो तू बताए कि भाई मैं कर रहा हूँ ये. वैसे भी मैं रोकने वाली थी, बट तू कर रहा है तो बता ही दे. आई एम अ ह्यूज बिलीवर ऑफ ट्रांसपेरेंसी. Also my profession now also demands transparency, and I think I am good at that profession for that. जो भी होता है मैं बता देती हूँ. I don't hide. I don't believe that any transaction or any kind of thing can happen between two people if you are not honest with each other. So maybe the intention is good, but
तो
the very
ऑनेस्टी हुई ना, मैंने
fact
तुझे
that
बता
you
दिया.
hide.
नहीं पर ऑनेस्टी हुई ना, मैंने तुझे बता दिया.
हाँ पर बाद में बताया ना, करने के
हाँ.
बाद. Now how
हाँ.
can I stop you? So it's told actually कि हाँ मैंने कर दिया. It's like forgiveness is better than asking for permission is how the thing is, you know, कि हाँ sorry बोल देंगे, पर कर तो दिया हमने जो करना था. That breaks trust. Then you think like next time. But if you want to actually know that what is different in our fights, so our fights have actually gone through, how do you say, transitions. Earlier when we were very young and then we used to fight like newly married couple, I would run to my parents. Yeah, no, they would run out of the house, I would run to my parents. And trust me, that would create more complications. We would now not only fight about our basic fight, we would also fight about all the other opinions that would come in. Until one day, you know, we decided, close the door, this is you, this is me. Whatever we fight, it will now only happen between the two of us.
But that happened much later.
Much after.
Much.
But that is something that we would want the audience to take away if they want to understand something about the fight. That it's unrealistic to expect that we will not fight. It's unrealistic to expect that there'll be no ideological or other differences between the two of you. Even though you love each other a lot, you I mean dote on the other, but there will always be things which are not matching, and you will fight. But keep those fights between the two of y'all, unless there is like, how do you say, some kind of real veritable harm that is going to come to you, then yes, there are other means. But if it's a tu meme, an ideological fight, keep it between you. If you take it out, then other people will have opinion. Other people will have opinion, and that opinion will now create another battlefield. So you will be having, mini battlefields of everybody in other people's expectation, what others said, who took whose side, and that creates more. Many of these couples, when they get more people involved, I think they are sure to head for a divorce
Yeah.
rather than actually sitting across, talking it out. I think we fight, but then uh, maybe you sulk and I scream. After that, there is shanti for some time. Nobody speaks to anybody, and then we decide like, okay, let it be. Let this go. Let this pass. We've learned. We mentally make those lessons.
Yeah.
Like you learned that maybe I should not hide this information. Next time I'm going to take out money. I'm going to tell her. Okay. I learned that maybe this intention was good, so I try and understand that. Okay. So that is something that we would want to bring in, that try and keep whatever your uh, I would never say don't fight, but make the fight sweeter. Like we always kiss and make up also,
Yeah.
right? We kind of after a time, even our children have learned that now. We do tell our children also, stay out of it unless we are hitting each other in some way, which once or twice may have happened. We tell our children, this is not your battle zone, get out, let us both have it. So now our children have learned to stay away, even though they are adults, they are fully capable of intervening. But that's a very important thing that we teach them, that this is a unit, and that unit needs to work out within. If there is a difference, we need to shift both the sides a little, understand the other, and there's a smile. So I'm
So
leaving to you.
मतलब I was just letting you speak.
I
So
speak.
जब पहले टाइम मैंने पूछा था, अच्छा गिव योर इनपुट्स एज अ साइकोलॉजिस्ट और अ कोच, तो तभी तूने तो पर्सनल ओपिनियन दे दिया था. आज एकदम टुडे द साइकोलॉजिस्ट एंड द कोच टुक ओवर.
Yes.
वाह क्या
Mood
बात है.
hai.
राइट.
Mood hai. What
और
is
मैं
your
तो
opinion?
लेमैन की तरह बोल सकता हूँ
Ah,
भैया,
yeah, you can
मैं
tell about the fights.
क्वालिफाइड नहीं हूँ इसके ऊपर बोलने के लिए. ए aggression in any form is not justified, or there is no excuse for it. Sonal mentioned, yeah, I may have broken things. So ये किसी भी हालत में नहीं करना चाहिए, and you have to have that decency and kind of control over yourself and your emotions, that you don't harm each other in the process. Though there may have been instances when I may have had some nails on my
Yes.
hands, and we may have like got into a kind of a what can you call it? I don't
Cat
know.
fight.
Cat fight, but cat fight नहीं बोल
Yeah,
सकते.
cat. Yeah.
Yeah, brawl or
Brawl,
something like
yes.
that. But yeah, like it's very important that you not do not get into aggression, and if you are in harm's way or something like that, then definitely get help, then get people involved. But till that time, if it's between two people, I think it should be between two people. I have seen relationships uh, broken because of interference of so many people. It was my own friend who's kind of uh, both sides of relatives came to like kind of patch up and have discussions, and now it's an open, it's like हुतू तुतू का मैच चल रहा है, and दोनों साइड की टीम आ गई, और या इधर से वो कर रहा है, इधर से वो कोई
Ah,
खींच
that
रहा है पाँव के.
spoils. That
That
spoils more.
completely spoils a relationship that is so sacred, and that is so personal. क्योंकि जो दो चीज लोगों के बीच में हो रहा है, उसमें आप इतने सारे अलग अलग लोगों का ये ले रहे हो ओपिनियन, और वो खुद अपने बैगेज को लेके आ रहे हैं, अपना खुद का एजेंडा लेके आ रहे हैं. आई थिंक सो दैट्स द ओनली थिंग, दैट्स हाउ वी फाइट डिफरेंटली, एंड वी लर्न ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम
Ah.
कि किसी और को इन्वॉल्व नहीं करना है. सो इट हैज नेवर हैपेंड दैट Sonal would go out and talk to some other person and has spoken about me, or if I go and I I speak about Sonal in a bad way, even if when we are angry. And to some extent, the reason is we don't have people to go and talk to also.
नहीं ढूंढने पर
But
चले
yeah,
तो
I mean,
बोलेगा.
we have never done it. We had friends at
Yeah.
that point of time, and I see that happening rampantly. People just, I mean, share it so openly with anybody. I've had experiences where people have shared that with me and shared with Sonal respectively. Ke
Because
ye ho raha
somewhere
hai.
I think
So I think
yes,
that's
yeah.
absolutely, unless when you really need support, then you should either
Huh.
go to a qualified person or else confide in people you feel safe with.
I mean, don't label the person. Like that is what I say. That this is so personal. And what is very typical about our relationship is that we met each other 18, and today we are 51. It's a long journey. And if we see that we are evolving, like as I said that uh, verbal aggression भी एक abuse होता है.
Yes.
Like Nozer agrees that throwing things is not correct.
Mhm.
So the same way I also believe, and now I'm understanding it, that even verbal aggression is abuse.
Yeah.
Telling hurtful words and saying things, but we didn't tag the other as a villain. We are seeing each other as we are growing, we are learning. Each time there has been a fight, we've also learned things about each other. Oh, I'm doing this. Oh, I did this. Oh yes, this could have been avoided. So instead of today what I'm also seeing, I am a part of a lot of portals, these portals where women are, and they speak about their spouse so terribly that what also happens is that they have made up their mind that the other person is bad. At no point did I and Nozer, that is probably the same thing between us, that we didn't tag the other person as, how do you say, bad. We saw the other person as human, making mistakes, evolving, willing to come to some things, some places we accepted also. This is how he is, or
But
this is how she is.
but at the same time, don't you think, Sonal, that के ये portals है या social media है, तो there is also awareness because of that, and because you yourself write so many articles and blogs. So having those portals where the women can share these things, isn't it in fact helpful? Or you mean to say that sometimes
it
they,
is,
yeah.
लेकिन ये दो धारी तलवार हो जाती है.
Hmm.
इन द सेंसेस कि आप जब पोर्टल पे जाते हो तो हाँ वेंटिंग हो गया,
Hmm.
पर उसके बाद जो
Hmm.
नीचे आपको एडवाइस मिलती है,
So that can come from anybody and
that can come
exactly.
anywhere.
So that
That
becomes
is again
like,
taking the whole thing
हाँ,
out.
so that also sometimes becomes like that, like example I gave कि वो friend का कि पूरे दो परिवार वाले आ गए थे,
हाँ.
सब अपना अपना baggage से दे रहे, सब अपना अपना experience से.
Yeah.
So it's actually in a way random advice, like how internet is. It's random. There's like a information overload.
हाँ, तो
So
प्रोफेशनल के पास जाइए. Nobody is
हाँ.
saying कि even you and I, if we had the awareness, it would be a good thing to go sit in front of a counselor
Yeah.
and talk to them that okay, this is what I want, this is what he wants, and this is what is happening. But going in randomly, again, it will be the same thing that you have in your mind already spiraling. You are in that negative moment, and now there are 10,000 people that your husband is bad, this is wrong, and you should leave the relationship. What you are going to then base is your entire how do you say, future, your present, everything on the basis of that random advice, people who didn't know. And then it's like, if there is a harm, like we say, always look for help. But between that harm and between that growing, allow the other person also to grow and evolve. Emotional illiteracy is one of the biggest problem in our country today.
Correct.
Like if the coach has grown up, I feel we both were emotionally illiterate.
Yeah.
Right, we both were dysregulated.
Yeah.
We both didn't know how to put forward our things in a way that the other would understand.
Also, like today how the internet is like lot of information, and you don't know from the sea of information
उसमें से
what is
sift
the
क्या
right
करें?
or correct information.
Correct.
Our reference, at least in my case, you were a voracious reader, you are still, and you were very well read. And you came from a background of psychology, and like you said, I was totally emotionally dysregulated. To some extent, it's very difficult to get regulated till now. ऐसा हो रहा है कि it's a lot of unlearning that happens. And uh, as you, like you said, ke, as our relationship grew, we both realized that there were certain things we could have reacted differently.
Yeah.
Not even in between us, but also to situations where external factors were there. That way. So हमारा reference point उस ज़माने में इंटरनेट नहीं था, तो हमारा था, मेरे लिए था बॉलीवुड या हिंदी फिल्में, which were totally crap. As
Crap.
today, if you go and see most of them, not all of them, but especially the 90s that we grew up watching, it kind of completely ruined the way we think about love, the way we think about relationship, the way gender roles completely. So I think yeah, we are still in better times. We are the
Yeah, we are
fortunate
living in best
generation to
times.
be alive in times when we have the internet and we can speak about these things, we can put forward our ideas. And और क्या differences थे जो हमारे झगड़े का कारण बने? Also, like kind of the like you were saying कि differences of culture, हमारे cultural differences बहुत सारे थे जो हमारे बीच में कभी नहीं आए.
कभी नहीं आए.
Even today, culturally, I'm a Parsi, she's a Gujarati, तो कहीं culturally हमने तो वो question हमारे दिमाग में ही नहीं है, मतलब वो, because we are so deep down in love with each other, तो
Yeah.
हम culture को तो सोच ही नहीं, मतलब वो तो बाद में आता है.
हाँ,
That
because
way.
it's
And
like
for me, it has always been
once.
that I think humanity is the best
हाँ,
religion.
but like once I
तो
wrote on
मेरे लिए तो
internet
कोई
something I was writing and I said, okay, when I go to Udwara, I sit out
yeah
when he visits the Agyari.
yeah
And somebody's like, oh, what cruelty and all.
Yeah.
And I am sitting there and thinking, like, what cruelty?
yeah
It's a choice.
it's a choice.
Yeah, I didn't want to. It's like, okay, if it's going to create a controversy,
yeah
I didn't have the energy or
Yeah.
effort to put forward that controversy. So you went in and I sat out.
Right.
I drank raspberry.
So yeah, so though
Right,
there are
so
differences,
those kind of differences didn't happen because again we respected each other,
Yeah.
right?
and
So,
culturally, I was saying what I was trying to bring it at कि culturally हम differences के बारे में तब aware होते हैं that again when outside elements come into it.
हाँ,
So तब तक हमको पता ही नहीं होता है कि अच्छा yeah, our food habits were different initially. We come from different cultural backgrounds and all these things. तो जब third party आता है उसके अंदर, anybody else than us, then it becomes murky.
yeah, they
Then
start
those
making
become
those
profound.
statements,
These
yeah,
differences become profound.
right.
So I think if you are in a relationship where you belong to culturally two different cultures, then I think you should just hatch it out between the two of you and not let any third person say what to do in your relationship.
Yeah, and I would put it a little more politely that it's instead of hashing it out, actually sit together.
Yeah.
Sit
No, means
together.
that only hashing it out.
हाँ, but sit together. पहले तो वो storm pass हो जाने दो because when we hear opinions and all, हमारा सबका ही ये क्या बोलते हैं?
हाँ,
This rise हो जाता है.
पारा चढ़ जाता है.
Yeah, so we want to like bring it down, become a little mindful, and ask each other, what do we want on our dining table? Yours is this is different, mine is different. All right, what is it that we would want to keep? What is the ritual we want to keep? What is the ritual we don't believe in? What is the ritual we want to let go of? Okay, praying है तो आपको कैसे pray करना है? आपको कैसे pray करना है? Generally, it becomes a clash, and there are so many times it has happened that one of my festivals has come on your patel.
Yeah.
And it's like a
Or a birthday
feast,
or
yeah,
something
or a
like that.
birthday, or there has to be like you want to eat non-veg, and
Yeah.
I वो जमाने में I used to believe that हमें तो सिर्फ इन दिनों में वेज ही खाना चाहिए. Okay, now I have let go of that particular thing because I've literally examined okay, what happens if I do eat this? Nothing. So then I am making that call that okay, it's all right. I don't want to restrict anybody else doing that. It's very important to sit and talk, not unrealistically expecting differences will not be there. Rather, in a mature fashion, accepting that differences will be there. And each of us fights differently. We don't fight fair. Okay, not me, not Noza. We don't fight fair. Noza sulks, then he has big time shutdown.
Yeah.
And you literally feel a fortress around him where I can't get in. Yes, and I am. If anybody who has watched that Ramayana, I am arrow ka bochar, lots of words going dan 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 dan.
So
Okay, and that can hurt. My words can hurt.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
both the ways it hurts.
Yeah.
Yeah. And
So
my sulking can also hurt, and your
screaming
buck
can hurt. Yes,
can also
buck.
hurt.
Okay.
And sometimes also it's like most of the times the biggest जो एक चीज होती है कि जो चीज एडमायर करते हो ना आप किसी इंसान में
हाँ, वही
कभी
उल्टी
कभी
पड़ती
वही में आपको खलती है. तो
Yes.
सोनल का ऐसा है कि शुरू से उसकी ये आदत थी कि शी कॉल्स अ स्पेड, ये उसका एक सिंपल सा ये है। तो झगड़े में भी वो ऐसे पॉइंट बोलती है कि जिसको आप कुछ काउंटर ही नहीं कर सकते। अरे सच ही बोल रही है एक्चुअली। सो देन इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट। Of course, sometimes she says hurtful things just for the sake of it, and then you know that it's just like that. Like you are also saying things to hurt her. But then 99% of the time she's saying the truth. So it's really difficult, and it hurts more because the truth hurts you more than anything else. अगर झूठ होता तो hurt ही क्या होता? तो that's it. I mean, that's
Yeah,
what.
but then I also have an admission to make, like when he sulks, so he goes quiet. After a time, when he goes very quiet, I start feeling bichara. So much I am giving
तरस
him.
खा के मेरे पे.
Not taras, but it's like that love comes out. Okay,
हाँ.
I love this man. What am I doing? Why am I fighting and why am I screaming so much
Yeah.
at him?
So we generally hug and make up
Ha,
very
that
easily.
happens early in the morning, I
Then
think. When
that
morning his mood is good and I am anyway
so
unconscious.
I generally just
So
go
we
and hug
hug
her,
and then
and
that's the
that's
end
it.
of the.
That's at the end of the fight. No questions asked कि क्या हुआ, ऐसा क्यों
हाँ,
बोला, वैसा
क्यों
क्यों
हुआ,
बोला.
क्या हुआ.
बाद में कुछ
फिर नेक्स्ट
कुछ नहीं.
एपिसोड कंटिन्यूज व्हेन वी फाइट
Yeah,
नेक्स्ट. बट वो एपिसोड वहां बंद हो जाता है.
correct.
Like this episode also I think
I
needs
think yeah,
to.
36 minutes. Wow,
Oh
great.
wow. Okay.
And so we this is another second. I mean, एक और episode हमने यहाँ terrace पे shoot किया.
हाँ. This is
So
becoming a good place.
tell us, guys. We are eager to know that this is going to be the 4th episode. Tell us, what do you want more of us to share? I mean,
हाँ.
क्या आपको चाहिए कि हम लोग और बातें करें? This is unedited. This is unfiltered. हम ऐसे ही बोल रहे हैं. The camera is on dual mode.
Yes.
एंड आपको हमारी बातें इंसाइटफुल भी लग सकती है, बकवास भी लग सकती है, जो
और
भी है.
हमको मजा आ रहा है.
हाँ, हमको मजा आ
हमको
रहा है.
मजा आ रहा है.
टेक इट फ्रॉम इट और जस्ट लीव इट. But
हाँ,
at least
internet
comment
है.
below if you something touched you, something really made sense to you, and
How
अगर
do you fight? We want to know.
yeah, tell us
How do you
how
fight?
do you fight, and are there some similarities between the way we fight? या
Or did
आप
you
में भी
come to
कोई
know
इंसान है?
something new? Some of you all know us from quite some time.
Yeah.
So did you all come to know something different from what you all already knew about us?
हाँ,
We
वो
would like to know.
वो प्लीज यूट्यूब के कमेंट्स में मत लिखना, व्हाट्सएप पे भी.
क्यों? No, honest and transparent. लिखो जहाँ
Honest,
लिखना है.
that is what Sonal is.
हाँ,
Honest.
लिखो
Okay,
जहाँ
मतलब
लिखना
मैं
है.
dishonest नहीं हूँ, पर this is another difference.
Yeah, he's more of like private में जो भी करना. I am
हाँ.
also believer of a private thing, but कभी-कभी कोई चीज.
ठीक है, I mean, as far as
See, as
people
many stories you
write good
share,
things.
as many stories you share transparently, you are also giving permission to another person to share transparently.
Right. So any
So-
of your sharings, please go ahead,
Yes.
बिंदास नीचे लिखो YouTube पे comments में,
Totally.
या Spotify पे अगर आप सुन रहे हो, देख रहे हो, तो please
And
comment and
we
share.
have an idea. We may want you all also to join us. Let's make this like a big discussion also if you all have some things to share. So you can come up with those ideas. That's Nozer and Sonal, we want to be with you. Okay, and let's see if we can arrange that. Of course, you'll have to go through Nozer's lots and lots of camera adjustments. So you'll have to get ready, put your
इसमें क्या
lipstick.
कैमरा एडजस्टमेंट है? सिर्फ मैंने
कितना यार,
ट्राइपॉड पे रख
आधा
दिया है.
घंटा से तू तो हर
और
बार करता है
So
यार.
to get this beautiful
And
sunset,
then नहीं, the problem is तेरे को
mountain
खुद को ही फिर
behind.
पसीना होता है, and then your that face goes, पसीना हो रहा है मेरा, बाली हो रहा है मेरा, वो हो रहा है. So yeah, his perfection brings us good cuts and good backgrounds,
I don't know that.
but it has a toll on him only. So that if you're okay with, then we would want you also on the episode.
Sure. So we would love to have ideas from you, that if you want to be a part of it, just write below.
Uh-huh,
in
we
the
are not some
comments,
celebrity, so we are
and,
not going to like be very difficult to get in touch with.
Right.
Write to us.
हमारा कोई PR नहीं है.
हमारा भी कोई, हम ही एक दूसरे के PR है.
And so just before we sign off for today's
Yes.
episode, so what do you like to say, Sonal? अगर किसी का अभी फिलहाल ये एपिसोड वो देख रहा है इंसान और उसका झगड़ा चल रहा है, या झगड़ा चल रहा है मतलब जस्ट झगड़ा हुआ है ताज़ा ताज़ा, and suppose they are of that age, maybe when we were very young, क्या करना चाहिए? एक इंसान सल्क कर रहा है, एक इंसान भड़ास निकाल रहा है. हमने तो बता दिया हम ऐसे करते हैं. What's your suggestion? How should they kind of?
Take 5.
अच्छा.
Take 5. Breathe. Sit down. Remember that moment when you came to know this was your one. think that what must be the perspective on the other end also. क्या करना चाह रहा है? At the end of it, what is it that you want? At no point give yourself the permission to start thinking of the end. How do you say games? घर छोड़ के चले जाते हैं, कहीं और क्रैश कर देते हैं, या हाउ डू यू से डाइवोर्स ले लेते हैं. डोंट. आई मीन हर झगड़ा डाइवोर्स में नहीं एंड होना चाहिए, कितना भी विशियस हो. वो डिसीजन एक बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग डिसीजन होता है कि अब ये इंसान के साथ नहीं जिया जा सकता. दैट कैन ऑल्सो हैपन. बट जो छोटा सा झगड़ा है या थोड़ा बड़ा झगड़ा भी हुआ है, look at it, that is there a way the two of you can sit down and just find a way to just go back to each other's hearts. एक दूसरे की आंखों में देखोगे तो वो रास्ता मिल जाएगा. Yeah? So if you take that 5, if you regulate yourself, tell yourself I'm very angry. Okay, we also did that, like a recent fight that Moses just now described about that money part. We both were angry, we both were unhappy, but we found a way to make the other person understand where we are coming from, and we kind of agreed like no apology should not have a change. So if you're going to apologize, then there should be change also, that next time this is how I'm going to.
And
Would that-
mostly I think we are just reacting, no? Matlab, in my case at least, that is what I think in your case also, it's mostly we are reacting and not actually listening कि ये इंसान बोलना क्या चाह रहा है.
हाँ, क्योंकि
और
हमारे
झगड़े में
गुस्सा
वही हो जाता
इतना
है कि-
इतना ऊपर हो जाता है, हमारे एंगर और our emotional dysregulation is so high.
Yeah.
That is why take that 5, bring it, dial it down. Don't just let the anger cannot be, it's not a bucket कि आप भर के फेंक दोगे. Dial it down a bit, look into each other's eyes and see if you can find a way to meet each other midway. Yeah, and instead of giving those drastic options, sit and find a way to each other's heart back. कितनी छोटी तो जिंदगी है, कितनी जल्दी हम लोग 51 के हो गए यार. अभी अभी तो हम लोग कांदिवली स्टेशन पे क्या बोलते हैं प्यार से मिलते थे. नाउ वी आर हियर. इट्स सच अ स्मॉल लाइफ. एंजॉय दैट लाइफ. ये हंसने में भी मजा है. द किस एंड मेकअप विल बी स्वीटर इफ यू फाइंड दैट कनेक्शन बैक टू ईच अदर्स हार्ट.
So I hope आपकी जो जिसके साथ भी झगड़ा हुआ है उसके साथ सुलह हो जाए और बहुत ब्यूटीफुली हो. अगर हो तो प्लीज राइट इन द कमेंट्स बिलो.
Yeah, just take 5. Take 5 and then afterwards kiss nicely.
Yep.
Yep.
So yeah, that's episode 4,
Yes.
and we'll see you in episode 5
very soon.
very soon. Till then, keep watching.
Keep watching and keep smiling. And
Keep
hugging.
watching. अरे बोल यार, पॉडकास्ट का नाम बोल.
Keep watching after all these years.
After all these years. थोड़ा ऐसे हो ना, थोड़ा. अरे यार सन नहीं आ रहा है यार.
ए
सनसेट.
जा यार, मैं नहीं करती ये सब तेरे साथ बात आज.
अरे व्हाट द हेल यार सोनल. तो यही था ये इसका. तभी के जमाने में
हाँ.
मैंने इसको नाम दिया था रॉयल वॉकआउट.
हाँ,
मैंने दिया था, पता नहीं खुद नहीं दे दिया उसने. तो ये बहुत बेकार आदत थी इसकी. इसको बोलते थे रॉयल वॉकआउट. मतलब इसको जब
Yes.
गुस्सा आता था तो
मैं
जो भी
okay.
सिचुएशन होता था, कई बार ऐसा हुआ है कोई झगड़े में जहाँ हम दोनों थे और मैं बैठा हुआ हूँ और इसने रॉयल वॉकआउट कर दिया. मेरे को समझ में नहीं आया मैं क्या करूँ यहाँ बैठे बैठे.
Now I don't do it. Now
जिसका मैंने एग्जांपल इस एपिसोड के स्टार्टिंग में दिया था कि मैं उठ के चला गया था, तो मैं एक्चुअली वो रॉयल वॉकआउट बता रहा था
नहीं,
तेरा
now
वाला.
please don't do that. I used to. That is why take 5. Breathe in.
हाँ, अब बोलना
हाँ.
बहुत अच्छी
हाँ,
बात
पर
है.
अभी सुधर रहे हैं यार अपन तो. अभी मैंने कब लास्ट रॉयल वर्कआउट किया, सच्ची बोल.
नहीं, सो इट्स टाइम
क्या?
दैट. अच्छा, बहुत अपना लड़ाई झगड़ा हुआ है. इट्स टाइम टू हग एंड मेकअप. बाय.